I,
Surprise Xolani Khumalo,
solemnly swear
solemnly swear
that I will be faithful to the Republic of South Africa
that I will be faithful to the Republic of South Africa
and the City of Ekurhuleni Metropolitan Municipality,
and the City of Ekurhuleni Metropolitan Municipality,
and will obey,
respect, and uphold
the Constitution
the Constitution
and all other law of the Republic.
and all other law of the Republic.
From the streets of Moja Love straight into executive, Xolani Khumalo, the former presenter of Sizokuthola, a drug fighting program on Moja Love Channel 157, has officially been sworn in as a councillor in Ekurhuleni. This follows a decision which was made by Action SA earlier this year to nominate him as the mayoral candidate for the upcoming local municipal elections. Therefore, a lot of people complained about his lack of experience in the field. Then this is how Action SA responds, by saying that we are going to make him a councillor in order to equip him with the necessary skill sets, expertise, and experience for him to be prepared for that position. A lot of people have realized that they were not even convinced by Xolani Khumalo in terms of how he articulated himself when he was being interviewed, in terms of what is he going to bring into the position, what are things that is going to change in his administration. But then, does that actually cloud the fact that he is a great leader? He's a good. Does he have good leadership personality and good leadership qualities? We've seen him on Sizokuthola. We've seen him in action. And the same thing, I think, can be said by Herman Mashaba. Before Herman Mashaba got into politics, when DA introduced him as their mayoral candidate for Joburg, a lot of people complained about his lack of experience, and they complained about how he articulated himself. He was not convincing, as the case is with Xolani Khumalo. But then, does that mean that if ever you articulate yourself very well, does that also going to translate in you being a great leader? We've seen in politics, politicians, they're good in terms of talking, but in action, they lack. So does this mean that Herman Mashaba sees himself in Xolani Khumalo, a person with great leadership qualities, but lacks experience, but then put into action, he can actually deliver? You can share your thoughts and your comments on the comment section below. This is Extratainment and News with TP Bafethu. Till another episode, till another video. Are here.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations.